In this method, fold the strand in 2 equal halves and loop it from the ring to secure a tight knot. Do the same method with another strand. Twist the left strand above the middle 2 strands and below the right strand. Now pass the right strand through the loop from the back and place the knot tightly. In the next step, twist the right strand above the middle 2 strands and below the left strand. On repeating this process, you will observe a nice square knot is forming. So friends, if you like my video, then give a thumbs up to this video. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, the link is there in the description box, and in next I will upload one dance video. This method is slightly different than the previous one. The thing which you have to keep in your mind is that you will always have to take any one strand and form a nice square knot. Now you will see the twist is forming in the rope. These methods of macrame knots are very useful in making a plant hanger. In this last method, you will have to choose any one strand from the corner and make a double knot from the rest of the strands. These are the 3 basic types of macrame knot which are useful in almost every designs.